Mmm. What's going on? I just got home from the gym, Costco, ate some food. You know, having a great time so far. This session too. Sorry that I'm eating this creamsicle, but I wanted it. But I also wanted to hop on because I'm running out of time. My streaming curfew is coming up. You know what I mean? So don't want to get in trouble. Especially if I want to, play patty cake. Potentially. You know what I'm saying? Can you feel me? Trying to play a game of hide the salami. You know what I'm saying, chat? Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Gian Rich, Cube, Bowser, Trentfred, Kenny. It's an organic one. I forgot. This is the brand, Good Pop. Organic. It's fucking good, though. Kenny, Logan, Confused, Elevated Life, Crankberry. I blew a bunch of shit. Con. It happens. But I had a fucking meltdown. Because I'm fucking tired of this fucking price action. And I'm tired of fucking doing the same dumb fuck shit over and over again. However, with that said, I am still profitable on the month. And I'm hella profitable on the year. And I'm profitable overall. So that's all that fucking matters. But I do want to fucking right the ship and fucking stop sucking. What up, Desmond? Matthew Van Zandt. What's good? Scott. Yeah, I'm like forcing shit. Yeah, not only did I have a 40K month last month, I had it in fucking January too. And 34 plus in fucking December. So it's not like I'm not doing well. I'm going through a rough patch. And it's fucking driving me crazy. Cabinet maker. That's me, 60 hour. Michael E. Clee Torres, what up? I'm curious who this is. Oh, wait, no, that's March 28th. I'm like, March 28th, 2016, 2026? Never mind. Sometimes people create new accounts just so they can troll me, but I don't think you are. I don't think you're a troll. Oh, I just got it. Oh, my God. I can't believe I fell for that. Did I pronounce your name wrong? I think your name's pronounced clitoris. Am I saying, is it clitoris or clitoris? Is one of those E's silent? Which one? Is the second E silent? Is it clitoris? Once I saw a cube ask, Clee what? I'm like, bro, Glenvale. Oh, that's D's nuts sister, no doubt, no doubt. What up? Let's be respectful to Taurus, okay? It's D's nuts' sister. Sean, what up? K9, full tilt. Keegan. Yeah, I know, Scott. I know, bro. I know. I haven't really been that patient because this price action is so bad. And what's been happening a lot is the fibs I'll play will get overshot or just blown through. And then the fibs I don't play are the ones that are fucking bangers. It's been fucked up. It's been really fucked up. Keegan. FL, what up? Tommy Stark, what's good, bro? Oh man, I can't believe I fell for that shit. I'm like, are you trolling me, Taurus? It's fucking hilarious. Tickle, what up? Yeah, Crank is bad. I was okay with it until the whole fucking Iran shit started. And then I don't know, I've just been fucking sucking. Where's crude at? Is crude at 1 million? No. Watch this. Speaking of crude and the fibs. Oh, by the way, I blew my funded Lucids the session after I got paid on them. It was like 48.65. Money was in my bank account literally like 2 minutes fucking later after requesting. Amazing. And then I got them halfway up. I got 5 new ones halfway up. And then I passed 5 new ones. I passed those same 5 when the market reopened. So I have funded flexes again. But I kind of fucked myself. I could only get one more payout from Lucid this month. But at least I might be setting myself up for another one. Look at that, 707. Does it go down to the 786? I don't know. The 707 also happens to be the low of day on crude. Gold, on the other hand, is up a fuck ton after dumping a fuck ton. Yash. Joker, what up? It's an orange creamsicle. It's organic. It's not like an OG orange creamsicle, but it's pretty fucking good. It said something about Diddy cream. I don't know. They said this was made with Cambodian breast milk, organic Cambodian breast milk. Oh, fuck. This whole time I didn't have my fucking charts on. I didn't have my screen on. All right. Good looks. Again, guys, good looking out. Thanks for telling me. All right. Yeah, here's my Lucids. Here's my funded Lucids. Here was what I was talking about with crude. Here's a 707 from the high. The high from Wednesday session, which was basically right before the close, and the low from Wednesday session. This low, I'm going by this low and this high. We retested it 70% so far. I mean, we retraced 70%. Just ain't right. Mwah. Tory trade stop loss. Am I looking to long crude? I don't think I'm looking to touch it. You know? Davin? I know, Tommy. I'm just saying, hey, guys, welcome to my stream. I'm just going to be eating this fucking creamsicle. You know what's funny? It drives my wife crazy how I eat ices. She says she doesn't like that I bite into them and chew them. What am I supposed to do? Suck them? Romeo, what up? They make a strawberry shortcake one? I was not aware of that. Full tilt. I've been on organic, non-GMO shit for fucking pretty much since I had kids. I was doing that shit before it became fashionable. Everybody in our families would like, almost like ridicule us. I'm like, why? And now they're all doing it. Investors. It's interesting how it came up to Tuesday's low, and it's rejecting. Don't you find that interesting? I do. Oh, you want to see my Apex accounts? Yeah, they are. They are. Here are my Apex accounts. Blown, 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 blown. Right after these all got blown, I was in longs. I had no draw. I had hardly any drawdown to work with on these, and I blew with trading micros. Right after the shit fucking bounced and pumped. Of course, but I was able to get 1,000 out of this one. This is the one that hit the daily loss limit. I think I did it for the stream. I hit the daily loss limit. What the fuck? Oh, here it is. I hit the daily loss limit for the stream, and I got it back. So, whatever. And now I have two brand new ones here. I got an eval here that I forgot I had. Good stuff. Good times. Yeah, I'll long crude with this eval. I feel like I already missed it though. It's already up 55 ticks. Yeah, slip kid. These are loose. These are funded. These are flex accounts. Funded flex accounts. Lucid, funded flex. LFF. I'm looking to get my first day in. Oh shit, I got 40 followers on Kick, yo. Hey, I'm on Kick, by the way. If anybody fucks around with Kick, here's my link. This drop was a 7. Where was the high? Which high? Let me look at the 15. Was your high? Was this your high? Or was this your high? Shit. Let me go to the 5. Right there. I feel like it's going to go higher. The 1 minute. Oh, I see it right there. I see it. You know, the fucking crazy thing about the fibs is like that. I see it, right? I'm with you on that. You know how many times I got fucking burned thinking that was the spot, and like really the next high, not this one, but this one was the spot. So that's the tricky thing about the fibs. Small one, that's what she said. Craig, what up, Craig? That's my dad's name. I appreciate it. No way. That's awesome. So you're like a Craig Jr. Amon, what up? Bowser. Are you serious? Amon, I guess they want to make sure you're not hedging with them or some shit. We'd like to ask you a few questions about your relationship with Brad. Do you know a Brad? Crank, yeah, it's complicated. Oh shit. Oh, he got eval banned in 2024. So why are they asking? What are they asking about? What are they doing? Their due diligence? Are they considering bringing him back? Don't tell my wife. Are they considering like letting him buy evals again or some shit? They're doing some due diligence. It's a little strange. Oh, it's all after you requested payouts. Do you happen to know Todd Rangap? I didn't get. I have one sitting in here. No, I was too busy blowing more accounts, more funded accounts. Killing it. I'm killing it. Literally. This shit ain't moving at all. What the fuck? Yo. Wild. Wild, yo. What's Crude doing? Good thing I didn't chase Crude. You see, guys? Watch this. 707. 1, 2 touches, almost retested it again here, 3, and then a 4 time, a little bit lower, and then it fucking dumped. Oh, I see. So they're Amon. They're making sure that he's not trading your account in your name because he got banned. Yo, Doom. Yep, I got to draw some tan lines. Coffee Buff, what up, man? This shit is moving way too fucking slow. I don't like when it moves slow like this either. Crank. John. He's in the witness protection program. Tell him, Elevated. Oh my God. Wake me up when this shit starts fucking doing something. And it's like, it'll be like this. And then I'm like, fuck this. I'll get up. And then I'll come back like, oh my God, I missed a huge fucking move. And then I'm back on it, watching it, and it's slow again. What's up, Pen? Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Does the NQ want to drop more here? It's at the up of the VWAP band. Yeah, Yash. I mean, Amon, you could tell them the story. I don't know if they're going to believe it. You know what I mean? Why didn't they say something before you got to the payout, before you got to payout land? Yash, I think he just requested. So now they decided to ask him. Where were you? Where were you on February 27th, 2024? Were you with Billy Bob? Ah, it's fucking that sucks. Coda, why? Violations? Did you guys kiss? Uh
Ooh. See, on this 707 retest, if I would have played that, I would have had enough.
Coach Fred, what up? Night, night. Keep your butthole tight. Full Tilt was with
Clit Torres.
What's this guy want?
Fuck me.
Technical.
We're doing just as good as we were during the street during Power Hour. I haven't taken any trades yet. Yeah, Coda, I've seen that. I've seen other people get that email. I wonder why though. I hope this dog doesn't try to throw up in here. Technically, oh, you got it. You're in the Top Step Focus Trader program. Hey, that Amon, that might be all you need to do, bro. I mean, how many accounts have you bought with your card since then? Probably a fuck ton, right? Oh, yeah, bro. I think you'll be all right. They just want to make sure there's no funny business going on. 1100. That's it? Come on, man. You need to step up your game, bro. Is this dog gonna fucking throw up in here? Oh, you only trade with them? Wow. Is there any reason why? I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. Yeah, why would it be such an issue right now? He said he only trades with Apex. Amon only trades with Apex. I mean, that's some brand loyalty right there. I mean, I'm loyal to them obviously, but I don't keep all of my prop firm eggs in one basket. I trade with multiple firms. Muravsky, what's good, man? I got to see what this dog. This dog's just standing in here. I don't know what he wants. He can't hear me. He just he just standing here, hoping I get up and I guess go downstairs and give him food or something. I don't know what he wants. I guess my wife's not home. Yeah, I'm not saying you should switch as in not trade with them anymore. I'm saying not trade just with them. You know what I'm saying? I get why people like to only trade with one firm though. Some it's too much for some people. You know what I mean, or whatever. Muravsky, what happened with them? Fuck, I blew every legacy account I've had. I'm out of legacy accounts completely. Money Mitch, what up? Yeah, exactly, Amon. So you like them. So I get it. Am I on TRT? No, I don't take any of that shit. I did start taking creatine like a month and a half ago, though. I didn't even work. I didn't even. Whatchamacallit. I did leg day today. So glad I did leg day though. I gotta see what the fuck this guy wants. I don't know what he wants. I wonder if he wants to just lay down in bed. My wife's not here. She went to Target with my daughter. They've been gone for a while, though. What the fuck are they doing over there? This shit's like literally not fucking moving. Oh, here we go. I think it wants the VWAP. Maybe. Will I get filled? Let's see if I can pass an eval for the stream. Probably not. Suck. I'm the worst fucking trader in the world. Warren Buffett seems to think the opposite, though. So I'm very thankful to Warren G. Buffett. I mean, when did I get on the stream? Had this little drop here, and then we just have gone sideways. There. Gold looks like ass, too. Oh, maybe he has to go out. Fuck. Someone closed all the fucking doors. Gotta make, bro. It's warm out. I could chill out here. Yeah. Check out this fucking barbecue that came with the fucking trailer. I'm in the back of my trailer right now. This is my double wide, double tall trailer. Probably can't see it. There. Or my double wide, double tall trailer. It's in the trailer park. Pretty good, right? Doubt anyone is ever going to set foot in this fucking pool. No one's going to go in this pool. It's just there for show. Oh, don't do it there. This guy's about to shit his brains out. Yeah, see, it's like doesn't matter what I do lately. I'm fucking wrong. I'm just wrong. A lot lately. Fucking suck. Rick, what up? Money Mitch. I take supplements Oh, whoops. I take supplements to help with my testosterone production, but I don't take anything directly. Oh, Amon, damn, bro. Isn't it funny how like when it rains it pours? I had to take I had to take 3 of my 4 fucking dogs to the vet. 2 of them went to the emergency vet, which means it was twice as much as the regular vet, almost 3 times as much. And between the 3 visits, um, I mean, I'm over $4,000 on all that shit. Cost me over $4,000. And then my wife comes and tells me today while I'm fucking streaming, hey, I cracked my tooth. I'm going to the dentist tomorrow, which means she's probably going to need a root canal and they're going to put a crown on her on that shit. So that's going to cost me fucking $1,600, even with insurance, because insurance fucking blows. At least the shit I have. And then, and I'm out here fucking up accounts left and right. And I'm about to get a new. I got contractors coming to the house tomorrow because we're gonna get our kitchen done. We're gonna redo our kitchen because the fucking piece of shit painter who painted my fucking house did the worst fucking job possible. And I thought I was gonna buy myself a couple of years, and I didn't even get fucking 3 months out of it. Is it dumping? Yeah. Now they've just been at Target. Now they're just going on a fucking shopping spree in Target. Money Mitch. Yeah, bro. I heard about it, man. I'm well aware of it. I don't know. Bro, I'm a minimalist when it comes to that shit. I literally just started taking creatine. I'm 46. All right, be good. Thanks for popping in, Profit Factor. Rand Gap. Yeah, I thought I was learning how to trade better too. Investor was just like, dump it. It's down fucking 3 points. It is breaking out of it does look like it's breaking out of this cuck zone. We'll see. Does it want the VWAP is the question. And how soon does it want the VWAP? Does it want to just give it up? I mean, we got new hour fuckery too. I didn't even realize that. Got a new hour about to drop. Just ain't right, bro. Exactly. I'm getting fucking hammered. Tick Daddy, exactly. Yep. So you know the deal. Oh, just ain't right. Forget about it. I'm gonna get fucking smoked on this kitchen. And there's like little odds and ends I want to take care of also. So it's just gonna be, a fucking shit show. Oh shit. Oh, give it up. Come on. Don't be a fucking drop it lower on the new hour. Drop it lower. Don't make it bounce. My take profit is right before the 6182. So it might just happen. Oh, they're home. Shit. I gotta hide somewhere. Oh, let's see how close it gets before I get fucked. 5 points. So far, it got as close as 5 points. Hey. Uh-oh. I'm about to be busted out here. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Yo, it never fails. Look at that. Let's see how much it goes up. Let's see how much it goes up. It's going to go up enough for me to blow this account, and then it's going to go down lower. Maybe it's going to drop it now. Let's go. Please, Granny. I need to replenish all my Apex accounts. Almost all of them. Let's see if this shit fucking drops or what. Look at it. It's not. It doesn't want to go. Come on, mother. Give it to me. Give it to me. This shit's gonna fucking pump now. I guess I should have waited for a better entry, like over here. I would have had it already. Come on. Nah. It's fucking crazy how I get it. This shit happens to me all the fucking time. All the fucking time. I was passing these with relative ease at one point, but I don't know. This new market is just the way this market's been right now. It's just fucking tricky. Can it flush now? I don't even need it to flush. Just go down like 8 points. Nope. This shit's going to pop. I will be at a drawdown in probably like 3 or 4 minutes. Oh! What's up? How many times have you guys, was anybody on the Power Hour stream? Was anybody on the Power Hour stream? How many times have you seen me get fucked like this? 7 ticks. It couldn't just go down another 7 ticks. It's like the story of my fucking life lately. Like, what's another 7 ticks? I'm sure it gets there eventually, but will it get there before or after it uses up all my drawdown on a little fucking relief bounce? It's amazing. What's up, buddy? Hey. You can't make this shit up. And when I tell you guys this shit happens to me all the time, it happens to me all the fucking time. And naturally, I'm in heavy because I'm playing passive smash. So like, all it needs to do is go up. What's 2,000 divided by 120? 16, 16 and a half points basically. Oh, yeah. Look out! That's how much closer did it get this time. 2 ticks away. 2 ticks away. My take profit's at 51. And it just came down to 51.50. Oh my God. I did the math wrong? Come on, Granny. There's a 618. All right. Can I get another $49? I'm fucking scared. Oh. How did I do the math wrong? I didn't do the math wrong. Or maybe I did. No. I think it's because of the spread. Oh, I would have had it. Oh my God. Hey guys, you see guys? Now I have to do a micro. 2 micros. We did it, Joe. We fucking did it. There's the VWAP. I want the VWAP. The VWAP is in a different place with micros than it is with minis. Sorry, chat. I'm neglecting you, chat. I'm not so bad. I feel like I'm the worst. Apex detected a hedge on your account on the 17th from a trade issue with Replicanto. They balance adjusted by removing the trades from that day as well as today, even though the violation was yesterday. John Q. Did they say something about it being from Replicanto, or is it you just telling us that there was an issue with Replicanto? I could tell you one thing. What's with the leopard print? What is that? Leopard print? I don't know. I came down to let Romeo out. Am I screaming? Oh, shit. See, I knew I was going to get yelled at. Getting yelled at. My curfew's my curfew's No, I let him out though. He had to go out.
You should be for some food. You're not doing my car, bro.
What?
Oh, you gotta pull my car into the garage.
I'm like the valet
No,
over here
it's
too.
not. I'm scared to pull into
Where are
the
your
garage.
keys?
It's not you.
They're down here?
I'm always scared to park in the garage. It's scary.
All right.
And then when he pulls in, there's literally this much space between like the
That's called precision.
the brick or whatever it is on the house and my mirror. It's like literally this.
Oh, you got me a new pillow? You know, I got a new pillow because when my dogs were shitting their brains out because they ate some shit in the backyard that they weren't supposed to. One of my dogs dripped some of her fucking runny shit on one of my fucking pillows that were on the floor. Let's look at the charts. My bad. Oh, there's the VWAP. There's the VWAP on micros. Oh. There's the 707 and the VWAP. Look at that. We got some confluence right here. Retest this motherfucker right here, right now. Or how many points away is this? Only 11? The 786? Is this not going to come back down? Rick, thank you for that vote of confidence, man. I appreciate it. You want 600? Why such an even number? I mean, bro, you do you, man. I'm just curious. 600 is. I mean, it's possible. Never say never. You just might be hanging in this trade for a while. Yeah, I mean, 600 is definitely doable. Bro, 600 is very doable. Are you basing it on this fucking wick right here? If I just drew the fib, I expanded the fib from the high, this last high. It's not, is that, it actually is the high of day. This last high right here, which is also the high of day, all the way down to the low of day. And the 786 is at 596.69, and you got this wick that's at like 600, 601. You might get it, bro. It just might be, you might not get it. You know, you might have to wait for it to happen. Point of control. Isn't that crazy? I'm aware of point of control, but I don't. Oh, what up, JJ? There's so much shit. I hear all these terms, and half of it I don't even know what the fuck it means. But it doesn't stop me from getting paid. But still, I wonder how much more dangerous I'd be if I knew what the point of control is. The POC. Oh, that's where the highest volume of trading activity occurred. Oh shit. Is crude pumping right now? Oh shit, look at crude. This 707 held. You see, guys? You see, guys? Yo, is Money Mitch still here? Oh, John Q, bro, back to your whole Apex thing. I got distracted by my wife. Just remember, if that was Take Profit Trader, your accounts would be fucking terminated. No questions asked. So for anyone who's like seeing what John wrote in the chat about what happened with his Apex accounts, an accidental hedge because of a fucking copy trader glitch, right? Some sort of copy trader issue, which happens a lot. If that was, people are seeing that, oh, Apex took my profit away and this, that, and the other thing. And they might just say, oh, Apex sucks. Apex fucking sucks. Look, I was on 0 Days J stream, and some dude named John said that he fucking accidentally hedged and Apex took his profits away. 2 days worth of profits. Right? Without even having a full understanding of the prop firm, or just not even realizing that if you were to do that in Take Profit Trader, you lose your accounts altogether. No fucking questions asked. So just remember that. If someone's, quick to shit on Apex about that specific thing, there are other firms out there, namely one of my favorites, which is Take Profit Trader, that will just shut your shit down. You're done. You got to start over again. Di Lorenzo rolling in the benzo. Look. Lucid, the sweetheart of the prop firm space. We all love Lucid, right? I do. They pay fast as fuck. Never been paid faster. Literally, the money was in my bank account. I couldn't even log into my bank account fast enough to see if the money was there, and it was already there. And Lucid took a 75-second copier glitch. They took all his profits and blew his accounts. He has to start all over again. And that's Di Lorenzo rolling in his benzo. They don't care who you are. What up, Felix? Yo, Money Mitch. So here's some of the shit I take. I take Tonkat Ali, also known as Long Jack. I take Fedoja. I take Tribulus. I take Natokines. I don't get any fees taken. Well, it just ain't right. You're in another country. Are you not? You're not in the States, right? Uh-oh. Righteous one, what up? Because I just get the 10% taken out. I just get the regular, Lucid's fee, the 10% that they take out. We're on a profit split with them in Sim. Uh-oh. Cube, do I have any Take Profit Trader? I do. I got new evals and got them up halfway. After what I did on my Power Hour stream, what, like a fucking loser. Here they are. But I have them. You know what any of that shit is? All that stuff is and then what else do I take? Vitamin D, vitamin B complex. I take vitamin D, zinc, turmeric, curcumin. All that shit promotes testosterone production. Yeah, Cube. I might get a couple too. They extended the sale. $97 for a 50K rapid plan with the daily payout potential. Just ain't right. Really? Trailing drawdown is not what got me. You know what got me? I got me. I'm not trailing drawdown doesn't faze me. I'm just a fucking idiot. Oh, you're from Texas? Why did I think you were from fucking Canada? Oh, dude, bro, there's no fee. They'll ACH that shit. Like, literally will be in your account in minutes. Yeah, I don't even really take I have protein powder. You know what protein powder I have? I got the Sun Warrior shit. You know what the Sun Warrior is? The plant-based one? That shit is fucking good. I don't take it unless like I make myself a smoothie. That's the only time I really put protein in anything. Recently, for whatever reason. I want to start consuming more beets. Oh, and I take like red, like a red powder. I gotta consume beets. I'm all about the like, the natural shit. I know Stock Tiger's from Canada. I'm not Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger's from Canada, but I can tell you one thing. I don't think he's Canadian. Transparent Labs, I've heard of that one. Yeah, beets. I bet your blood flow is real nice. Your nitric oxide must be through the fucking roof. Yeah. I was thinking about just doing like the beetroot powder, but it's just not the same. I actually bought I was at fucking Costco today. I bought like the big bag of fucking the mixed greens, the spinach and fucking chard and kale. And I bought a fucking package of fucking arugula just so I could have like instead of eating fucking junk food. He's an no, is he really? No, he's not. Is he? Yeah, Tiger's wild. Tiger, yo, he's got this one fucking thumbnail with that red jacket. It looks like the Michael Jackson Thriller jacket. You guys know which one I'm talking about, right? I don't know if he's used it in a while. It's crazy though. Like, I got 89 people watching my stream. Lately, I've been like sitting around 200 on most of my streams during Power Hour. This motherfucker will have 600 people on a stream. So clearly, he's got the gift. You know what I mean? Icelandic warrior. Bro, are you fucking with me, Tommy? Pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate. Yep. I love pomegranate. Yo, the pomegranate, like, they got the pomegranate cups at like Trader Joe's and shit. That shit is so good. Of course I am. Guy fucking grew up in a fucking igloo. Hey yo, fucking Dark Cloud. Can this go up just a little bit more for me? Like here. I would love that. First day with these accounts. "100% of a man." Smurf. Yeah, I mean, you see, he's a guy. He's a guy. And I'm just a goy. Oh, man. Shout out to all my fellow goys. Fuck, man. Yeah, I mean, this price action is fucking ass. Nice drop on gold, though. When did I get on the stream? We dropped 671. Oh, look where it fucking bounced. Oh, man. That's a missed opportunity right there. Almost 200 ticks we dropped. Oh, well, there goes all my gains. All $213 of it. Golly gee. I think when I started trading the fibs and started getting a lot of payouts, less people were as intrigued. I think more people like today was a perfect example. I was losing my shit and was on a fucking tirade of just account blowage, account nukage, and I hit over 200 people. I just find that interesting. But I talk about shit that I shouldn't be talking about on YouTube, and I think that has a lot to do with it also. Because I'm not pro-Israel, I get fucking shadow banned by YouTube. Did I say that shit out loud? Fuck. My bad. I should have fucking, typed it in the chat or something. Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. Jose, but you gotta admit, it wasn't completely unjustified how I got set off. If you were there for the whole thing, then you fucking saw me get fucked so hard. Yash, I guess. Just ain't right. Yeah, hard to watch. I know. Oh, Money Mitch, without a doubt, bro. Without a doubt. Yeah. Sly Fox. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, I get it. They get to live vicariously through me. You know? In that regard. So they come, I mean, a lot of it is them, like, the Power Hour stream just used to be like a place where people would come to fucking just unwind from their day of trading. You know, especially if they had a bad day, they get to see somebody else suck too. Dark Cloud, you couldn't watch you go tilt. I was tilting the whole fucking time. Borovsky, we're not allowed to say that. We're not allowed to say it. But you know what, Jose, at the same time, like, if it was all on me. I could have just fucking stopped. I could have just held that accidental short on those take profit trader accounts, those pros. That would have been good. Felix, you're trying to learn how to use the fibs? You just got to find, if you're looking for a rejection, if you're looking for a retracement for it to go back down, you got to look, your high has to be on the left. If you're looking for a bounce on, after a retracement, your low has to be on the left. If that makes any sense. The low for a bounce has to be on the left and the high has to be on the right. For a rejection, the high has to be on the left. That's the biggest, that's like, a lot of people miss that part. As simple as that sounds. You got to remember, like, look, this fib I drew here, here's the low on the left. Here's my high on the right. We pulled back, we bounced here at the 707. I mean, it was a nice little bounce. We bounced fucking what? This is gold. We bounced 60-something ticks. Nice little bounce there. Now we're pulling back again. We might go lower. And then if that's the case, you expand, you would, like, if it breaks through this fucking golden pocket here, you fucking, the golden shower pocket, you just expand it to the next low. That's what I do, at least. I mean, other people will say, well, there's other fucking levels in the same fib. I just expand it. And then I'll look for, now you got the 707 is lined up right with the VWAP. But now if I'm looking for a pullback, a rejection, let me show an example here if I can find one. Like if you were, all right, so check this. Notice how, and because I'm using Trade Evade, you got to draw, it's like drawn backwards, but just remember, here was the high that, this was a 707 base, almost didn't even touch it. It didn't even touch it, not even just a tip. But the high is on the left. and the low is on the right. The low is down here, the low a day, and one of these highs. You know, I'm looking for a bigger move. If I were to play a rejection, I might wait for something bigger for it to go back up, but I don't know. This move down might not be finished. This move down could go even lower if I base my low on the low a day and the high on the high a day. That's the entire session right there. You're talking fucking, this shit could go down a bunch more. I hope it does. I hope it does for investors, but I hope I get mine first. Because, because I'm in the long right now. I had $213, but we're like literally cucking around here. So this cuck is either establishing a base to go higher, or it's fucking gonna fucking fall off and drop lower, just like this one did. You see this cuck zone looks very similar to this one, so I might get fucked, but I don't know. Shit. We'll see though. Yeah, dark cloud. I've been. You know why a lot of this has been happening? Because I have fucking PTSD from all the times that I'll get shaken out of a fucking good trade, and then it keeps going in my direction a fuck ton more to my take profit a lot of times. And I have PTSD from that, so I'm trying to hold longer. Now all of a sudden it doesn't want to do that anymore. Where I get shaken out is where it fucking reverses in either direction. Tommy, just yeah. Can't say that. Can't say a lot of things. Can't talk about a certain type of medical procedure that a lot of people were coerced into getting. And if any of you guys are one of them, that's fine. I'm not going to judge you. But we're not allowed to talk about it. What setting do I use lower than the 707? The 786. You got the 618. You got the midline at the 50. That's where the golden shower pocket starts. But it's really the 618, 707, and 786. I really don't fuck with the 618. Unless it's like, if we're bouncing back and forth with the fibs, up and down, I like to take the 618. I like to put my take profit right before the 618, if I could actually hold the trade long enough. You see, guys, iTrades. So like on Tradeovate, if you want to draw a fib on Tradeovate, I don't know if you're trading on here. I think this is the only place that is like this. For me to draw, let me get rid of all of these. So we're gonna start from scratch. I mean, I can see it, right? Because I've drawn them so many fucking times. But if you want to draw a fib for a bounce, you have to start from the high and work your way down to the low. It's still the low has to be to the left, but it's backwards, right? If I were to draw this same fib on TradingView, or basically any other platform that you use, even Project ShitX, Well Charts, all of them, you would start for, let me get rid of all these drawings here. You start, you're low. You start from the low. You go from the low to the high. Here we are. There's a 707 right there. We're just chilling right now. I do think we might go lower. I don't know if the VWAP's going to hold. It's like we're in this fucking cuck zone. Look at that. It's crazy. We're in basically a 12-point zone. A 12-point fucking cuck zone here. We just broke out of one here. And then in terms of like for a rejection on TradingView and just about any other shit you're going to trade on except for Tradeovate, if you're looking for a rejection, you start from the high and you work your way down to the low. The high's on the left and you find the lowest low to the right that you want to work with, or the nearest low. It depends, right? But this is an appropriate low. This is the appropriate low. There's no other low to go by. And we almost hit the 707. And we rejected. You see, guys, just so you know, that's going to cost you $6,500. DK man. What do I do when I got $500 left to draw down? When I'm on my A game, I just look to fucking. It depends on what's going on. Like if I keep getting stopped out and I still believe in the move, I'm just gonna keep taking it and hope I don't blow the account. But with 500, like if you're starting a new session and you have 500 of drawdown remaining, you just want to give yourself some breathing room for the next session. That's the optimal thing to do. 500 is plenty, and maybe size down a little bit. Maybe trade half of your usual size. Oh, Jose, yeah. Am I even fucking qualified to give these lessons? At least I'm not asking for money. But if you're gonna grab any accounts at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bullinox, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, use the best fucking code 0DayJ. Is this fucking the VWAP gonna give it up right here? Uh-oh. See, look, I mean, I could have taken $213. Now I have nothing and I'm red. Oh my God, did I miss? Am I gonna miss getting filled on this ad here? I missed it by 5 ticks. Did he really? Yeah, I've given the tan line lessons. I've given tan line lessons before. They're great though. They are great. When they break, man, it's fucking, especially to the downside, it's like fucking timber. Well, if I'm looking for a bounce, I'm always the 707 and the 786 are what I like to play. A lot of times I like to wait for the 786, but a lot of times I don't get filled. I miss it. So it just depends on what size. If you're trading with like micros, put a little bit of your position at the 707s, a little bit of your order. If you want to test it, my recommendation is trade much smaller than you normally would. If you want to mess around with it. The other thing you could use the fib for is for confirmation on what you already trade with, like whatever your strategy is already. It could act as like confirmation for what you already like to look for and take trades based on. So there's always that aspect of it. Like if you like playing the VWAP, right? And this fucking price action is ass, but whatever. But like, there was an opportunity for me to take $200 and be happy with it, but I wasn't happy with it because I'm a fucking degenerate. But at least you had a scalping opportunity at the 707 here. You had I had plenty of chances to get the fuck out of this. But I'm just a degenerate. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm kind of fucking, I don't want to say I'm lost, but I'm not really trading my best lately. So, I wasn't happy with that. And maybe I'm just tired of taking baby games. And if that's the case, I got to look for better fucking opportunities. You got banned from you got hidden from fucking in Patrick's stream. Why? What'd you say to him? Tick Daddy, yeah, that's right. I didn't charge for the tan line lesson. I didn't charge for the Fibonacci lesson right there. I do want to make a video on the fibs. I have every intention of doing it. I just haven't gotten around to it. I also bought a book on how to overcome procrastination. Something else I haven't gotten around to reading. Get the joke? Yeah, I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even think it's him. He's not moderating. All right, I gotta run. I gotta feed the fucking dog, and it's getting late. So we'll see if I'll let you know what happens. If you guys aren't in the Discord, you should hang out in the Discord because I'll post all my shit in there. Here's the link. Apparently, I gotta feed the dog. So here's the fucking link to join the Discord. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe, all that good shit. I'll talk to you guys soon. Yeah, awesome. Fuck yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.